everyone, welcome back to new content of Cyber. In today's video, we will be discussing about the byproduct in Odoo Sentin manufacturing module. In manufacturing module of Odoo, byproduct is the secondary product that is created unintentionally while manufacturing the primary product or the main product. So the byproduct can be enabled from the configuration settings of the manufacturing module so that you can just manage with the unintentional creation of the product. So this will not have a direct sellable value in manufacturing, but you can just use the secondary product or the unintentionally created product for other purpose. Let's consider the manufacturing of a chair. So we know while manufacturing a chair, we just need to get the unintentional product as sawdust or shaving of the wood. So we know this will not have a direct impact on selling or sales price for this product. Rather, we can just use these items or the byproduct for packing or as a fuel or firewood. So let's see how can we manage the byproduct in Odoo Sentin manufacturing module. To manage with the byproducts in Odoo Sentin manufacturing module, we have to enable byproducts from the configuration settings. So we know byproducts are the unintentionally created product that can be the residual of the product or the secondary product that is created while manufacturing the primary product. So here we are just going to manufacture the wooden chair. So in order to manufacture the wooden chair, we know we require different components such as the wooden panel as well as bolt, and the residual product that is generated while manufacturing the wooden chair will be wood waste. And here you can also set the cost and sales price of this. So let me set the cost of the wood waste as 5 and the sales price as 10. Actually, the wood waste or the residual products or byproducts will not have a direct value on the sellable products, but this can be also used for manufacturing of different items such as the cardboard or any other things without wasting this wood waste. So here we are just going to manufacture the wooden chair, and we know the components that will be wood panel and bolt. So in order to manufacture the wooden chair, here we just need to ensure that under the inventory operations, we have set the root as manufacture because we just need to manufacture this item. And here, in order to manufacture the item, we just need to tell the Odoo platform that we are just going to manufacture the item using different components, and we have to generate a document likewise. And that document is known as BOM. And here we can just give the product details and the references by product, because here we are just going to generate the byproducts while manufacturing the item. And the operations that will be going will be manufacturing, and we just need to manufacture these items. So you can just set the BOM type as manufacture this item. Later on, you can set the number of quantities that you want to manufacture, and we know the components that is required for manufacturing the item will be wooden panel as well as bolt. And in order to manufacture the wooden chair, we have to just undergo with different operations such as the cutting, and we have to just cut the wooden panel from the cutting station. So while cutting the items, the waste will be generated, that is the residual products will be generated, and once everything is cut, the final operation will be assembling. So every assembling things will be done from the assembly station, and the byproduct can be seen over here because we have enabled that feature. As we just enable that feature, you can also add the byproduct that is generated while manufacturing the wooden chair, and you can also set the quantities that is generated. And here you can see that the cost sharing of the byproduct, and this byproducts will be generated during the operation of cutting of the wooden panel. So once you have done with that, you can also find the BOM overview over here. This shows the product details such as the quantities that is going to manufacture, as well as the BOM cost as well as product cost, and the quantities that is used for, the components and the quantities that is used for manufacturing the item. And you can also find the operations that we undergo with manufacturing the product and the byproduct also. And finally, you can find the wooden cost, the cost of the wooden chair as well as the wood waste, BOM cost as well as the product cost. Now, let's move on to the operations, and we know the byproduct will be only generated while manufacturing the item. So as you just choose the bill of material, all other details will be automatically configured over here, and you will be would be able to find the item that is to consume and the forecasted quantity, which means the items are currently available. And under the work orders, you can see that we have to just undergo with a certain operations such as the cutting operations and assembling operation. And here you can find the expected durations is set to 135. This is because it takes 60 minutes to set up the the cutting station or the workstation, and 60 minutes for clean up time. So it will be 120, and almost it takes 15 minutes for cutting operations. So altogether, it will be 135. And here you can also find the byproduct that is going to generate while manufacturing the wooden chair. So in order to do that, in order to generate the byproduct, first we have to just confirm our manufacturing order, because while the manufacturing is going to start, we can see that we can just go with, or we will get the residual product as wooden chair. Now under the work orders, here we have to just start the steps. So here you can see that you can just click on start, and here you would be able to find that the cutting is currently in progress state, and you can also see that we can just go with the operation of assembly. So currently both of these operations are in progress, and you can just click on produce all, and you can see that currently we have just done with our manufacturing. Now this shows the traceability, which means the product movement, that is one quantity of wooden chair is generated, as well as 3 quantity of wood waste is generated. And you can also find the product movement over here, as we just taken wood panel as well as bolt in order to manufacture that main product wooden chair. You can see that the deducted quantity will be shown over here, and the created quantity will be indicated, or the created product will be indicated in green color with the quantity. And you can also find a new product, that is the secondary product or the residual product, or the unintentionally created product with the quantity also shown over here. Now this also shows the overview regarding the main product as well as the operations, byproducts with the quantities, unit cost, as well as MO cost and real cost. Now here you can also find the valuations over here. So it is very easy to manage the byproducts in Odoo 70 manufacturing module. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the byproducts in Odoo 17 manufacturing module. If you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cyprocess. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.